100,000 miles. Guys, I am down here in beautiful sunny Florida. It is mid-February or early mid-February, and it is almost 70 degrees. It's been pretty cold here for a while now, a couple of weeks. One lady even said that she saw snow around here. But yeah, I just made it down here. It's about 1 o'clock, and left home yesterday afternoon. Drove down in the middle of the night, stopped around 4 a.m. at a gas station, got a couple hours of sleep, and then drove the rest of the way. And now I am on the river. So I've got a few days down here. I'm going to fish a few spots. I think probably about 3 different places I'm going to fish. But I'm hoping to get my PB. I'm hoping to get an 8-pounder here. I know it's definitely possible. I've done so much research and so much homework. And you know, going off of my previous trips down here and just a ton of research in the meantime in this past year, just trying to figure out a way to raise my odds of catching my PB. My PB right now is 7 pounds, pretty much 7 pounds even, but I'm really hoping to get an 8-pounder this trip. So yeah, I'm going to be going for big ones. Got a couple new swim baits I'm going to try out. The water's nice and clear. It's beautiful here. But yeah, so wish me luck. All right, so I've got this Kurt Mitchell War Panda Nug in Golden Shiner. I really like the way this bait looks. I really actually like this fin right here, the semi-translucent orange fin. I don't know why, it just looks so cool. It's just such a nice touch. It's a beautiful bait. See if we can get some bass. I had one pickerel look at it already. Got some other baits I want to try out too. Some baits, it's all frozen. The water's all frozen up at my house. So I haven't been able to try the newer glide baits that I bought recently. There is a ton of tilapia here. Any of the really bright circles you can see, that's a tilapia spawning bed. I want to see what the water temperature is here, because I know out on the lakes it's very cold. It's like down in the 50s, and it is 70 degrees here. Nice. Okay, let's turn this off. Don't want any sonar binging while I'm fishing. You guys ever have the sensation when you drive for more than 12 hours straight where it feels like when you stop, like everything, like the whole world is like kind of humming? You know, it feels like my feet, like it feels like something close by is like a train is going by or something, like it's just like rumbling. Really good chance I'll see some manatees back up in here. Man, it's really hard to believe that maybe 16 hours ago I was driving down my street and it was just snow. It was just like nasty, packed ice snow that's just been kind of collecting for the last 2 weeks. A little tiny school of small bass there. Coming to look at it, that's cool. Oh, I see a good bass. It's right there, he's crossing the tilapia bed. And it is so nice to be fishing eelgrass. All right, check this out. 86 passenger The finish of it when I bought it was coming off, so sent it to Bass Jack to get repainted for free, basically. But yeah, check it out, man. It's beautiful. Told him to paint it like a dark bluegill color, and it came out awesome. Just what I need for something like this. It's like super natural looking. Oh, this is my first time trying Line CXX, I think it's called. Man, it is stiff. Jeez, this thing is just ready to unspool, man. Too much. There we go, it's a little better. Oh. Nope. Got a pickerel. What's that? They're very hard to eat. Yeah. Yes. A glide bait. All right, buddy. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, no, I didn't see them there, but I know the fish will hide in the fallen trees like that.
Okay, and it's a pickerel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so I just picked up this combo from Bass Pro. Actually, got a pretty good deal. The rod is like 140 bucks right now, so it's like 20 bucks off. And then this reel, the 13 Fishing A2, it's a smaller version of the bigger reel that I've been using for years. So here's the original one, here's the 300, and here's the 200. And I got the 8-to-1 gear ratio. But it's working pretty good so far. It's got 25 pounds of drag, which is pretty unnecessary, but it's good to have, I guess. All the Shimano reels are 13 pounds max. I really probably think that most people don't even get to 13, honestly, without bending hooks. This line can't be that good in this clear water. It's the fact that I can see it underwater. Can't be good, but maybe the fact that I'm using such a big bait will negate that. A lot of times bass, if they see something big enough, they won't really care if they can see your line. They're not even paying attention to it. It's a bass right there. About 1.5 pounds. I am seeing some dark bluegills here. Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna try the Prince. Okay. Yes. Oh yeah, this is good. Good stuff right here. Okay, I heard a pretty big fish jumping over here. It's got a hit. It's a small one. Got him. Another pickerel. All right, buddy. Get him out. Dang it, that's a real, every time that I see a really good spot, there's boats coming. Check out that little spot there. See right there would be really good too. This looks so good right here. I can manage the trolling motor going backwards. I can just chop this bait in place, huh? Jeez. Oh, got him. What is this? Another pickerel? Hey, first bass. All right. Yes. All right. First Florida bass of the trip. Whoa. Man, this place looks so juicy. Foul hooked, aren't I? Yep. I mean, geez, look at this thing. Looks awesome. All right, this looks good. Oh, dang it, just had him. Oh, just had another one. Jeez. Got him. Yes. All right, buddy. All right. Nice Florida chunk. Look, he's blind in one eye. All right, so the cool thing about Florida bass is that unlike the northern strain where you have like a small cluster of big bass hanging out together and they kind of hang out in different areas than the smaller bass. So the Florida bass, if you're catching small bass, that means you're doing the right thing usually to catch the big ones. Oh, this looks really good right here. Yo, did I just see a monkey? I think I just saw a monkey. He's definitely too big to be a squirrel. Yep, monkey's up there. Look at this. Jeez Louise. All right, biggest pike yet, or biggest pickerel yet. the teeth on this guy. Hey, look at that. Nasty. All right, leader still feels good. No. Down owl. It's the first time that's ever happened where owls come swooping down from a lure. Oh my God. What in the world? Oh, dang it. Oh. Whoa, and there's a manatee. Oh my gosh, I just went into the wild kingdom here. Okay, where'd that manatee go? Let's see. Where the heck did he go? How fast does he swim?